Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Bea and I'm glad you're back. And in case you are new here, my channel is about mixed media, painting, art journaling, assemblage and anything else what sparks my interest. Today I'm here with another art journal page. I did start with some blue and green acrylic paint and did spread it with an old gift or telephone card. I also sprinkled some powders from primary elements in purple and green before I went over with gloss medium. I recently was shopping and came again across these acrylic sprays by Maradu. As they are acrylic paints, they are permanent once they are dry, just like any other acrylic paint. Well, somehow they jumped into my basket and now I have to try them on my page. The fact that I went over with gloss medium in the previous step made the page very slick. So the paint puddles up, which is fine with me. I just dab off any excess going over the page, mainly because I don't want to paint on the other pages of my signature I'm working on. For my next layer I use white gesso with a baby wipe and a stencil. A lesson I have learned here. Using a gloss medium makes it hard to draw with the graphite pencil directly onto the page. So I did sketch a face on some plain paper and did glue it down, this time with matte medium. After fussy cutting the face, I went over the graphite lines with the Prismacolor pencil. And I did use the paper stamp to add the first shadows. To add even more shadow, I use again the Prismacolor pencil and the paper stump. Now it is time to add color to the face. I use my mixture of glazing medium, Titan buff and skin tone paint. Titan buff and glazing medium are always the same for me, but skin tone paints varies from brand to brand, and I just pick them depending on my mood or what I can find at the moment. More shadows with golden phthalo blue and glazing medium. I work in layers and build up the colors until it feels right for me. And no, I'm not going for a realistic, just doesn't seem so fun for me. Again, layers for the eyes. First with the green Tombow marker and then with the blue Tombow marker. And in the end with some Amsterdam acrylic paint markers. Acrylic paint applied with these round foam brushes gives a cool structure for hair. Now it is time for the white highlights. I like to use this Molotov marker, which is a pen filled with acrylic paint. It is refillable and you have different sizes of nibs available. As a final touch, I add some doodling with the help of a stencil and again the Molotov marker in white. I could have also drawn the circles by hand, but sometimes it is just easier using a stencil. Here I'm mixing the primary element powders with the glazing medium. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please give me a thumbs up and all the other jazz. See you next week!